right now, mama, welcome back into week 4 of the decompression stretches. We are going to dive in. Now remember, we're just taking our time, doing deep breaths, safe core engaging while releasing pressure out of our body. This isn't about flexibility, range of motion. This is about simply releasing that pressure. All right, let's dive in. We're going to inhale center, roll down with our chin connected to our chest, hang low for a little bit, and roll back up on the exhale, okay? Let's try it out. 7, 8, inhale. Expand, exhale, chin connected. Make sure those knees are not locked. Let's hang here for a second. We're going to inhale here and exhale on the way up. Good job. A few things to remember. My feet are closer together, not wide. I am connecting my chin to my chest, going down and coming back up. I am not locking my knees, keeping them a little bent. All right? Let's do it again. Inhale. And exhale on the way down. Let's inhale together and roll back up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Roll up. One more time, inhale, exhale, inhale, roll up, that felt amazing. Oh my goodness, yes. Let's go ahead and go into our bend, then reach over. This is something you can call a Kayla effect again, okay? We want to bend over like this, and then you're gonna bring that arm over, okay? Just like that, and then we'll hold it. 5, 6, 7, 8, and over. 2, 3, 4, reaching. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's breathe. You should feel that air going through your side ribs. Breathe in. Exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. Amazing. One more deep breath. Breathe in. Exhale. Go ahead and bring it over. Back to standing. Oh. Yes, we done hit a jackpot. Let's do the same thing to the other side. Go ahead and nod over, just like this. Go ahead and reach over. Ah, good job, good job, good job. Let's inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. One last time, inhale, exhale. Bring that arm down and pull yourself back center. And I'm using my core to really pull me back up, okay? Good job, mama. Ooh. Let's do some reach-ups. I'm gonna start my song back over, okay? That's my fave. I'm gonna go ahead and reach up right here. And I want you to keep your shoulders as calm as possible. You don't wanna be like this. You wanna have them calm, okay? and I'm reaching forward. Now my hands are before my face, above my face, just like this. In front of my face is what I'm trying to say. And we want to breathe right here, okay? Deep breath in. Expand and release. Deep breath in. Release. Knitting that core back to those ribs. Deep breath in. Release. Now we're going to pull our hands above our head, keeping those shoulders quiet. Yeah, you're going to feel it right here. Right above. A line just like this, okay? Deep breath in. Bring it back. Good job. Deep breath in. Bring it back. Let's do one more right here. I know. Deep breath in. Stay stacked. Don't stand like this. Don't stand like this. Right? Everything stacked upon each other. Deep breath in. And pull back. Release. I know. Now the shoulders, you can feel a little burn, but they're working. They're releasing, okay? Last thing that I wanted to do is a chest opener with you. I love this one. Open up that chest, pushing your hands back behind your back and your booty. Standing tall, feeling that air go through those back blades. Let's take a deep breath in and release. Deep breath in. Release. Yes, ma'am. Last one. Two more. Deep breath in. Release. Deep breath in. And release. Good job, mommy. What I love about decompression stretches is that you can still work on that core, safe core connection throughout the entire time. All right, clap it up for yourself. Thank you for joining me for the entire week 4 of the Postpartum Rebuild. Remember, if you are in the app, go ahead and dive into the chat and say, I have completed week 4. I am building. I am regaining my strength. If you're on YouTube, first of all, we want you in the app. But go ahead and comment below so that we know that you are enjoying this series, okay? I love you all. I will see you in the next week. You're constantly sampling my workouts on YouTube, and there is a full app where you can get structured series from point A to point Z and everything you need, okay? On YouTube, you're getting bits of pieces, but if you want to stay there, by all means stay there. But I'm telling you, the app is where you need to be, so go ahead and click the link in any of my bios. That's YouTube, that's TikTok, or Instagram, or our community page, HIS Ambitious Girl on Instagram. You can find the full access to the app anywhere. So go ahead and dive in and don't hesitate, because this is your home, all right? And guess what? If you join now, that $14.99 price will lock forever. I will never take it up on you. We're currently working on our official app launch on the Apple and Google Play Store, and that price is going to be different. But if you join now, I will never take that $14.99 price up on you, all right? See you. Amazing job, mama, making it to the end of this workout. I'm super excited that you are sticking with the postpartum rebuild. Now, listen, we have a few more weeks to go as I input them on YouTube, but you know the full series is in the app, and we really want you ladies to be in that thing, all right? So always comment below if you need help getting into the app, or if you just have any questions about the app, feel free to comment below. And also check in with me, comment below on how you're enjoying this series, if you need a part 2, because we're going straight into heels and fitness, okay? So if you need a part 2, I need to know. But I just want to say thank you, guys. I feel like anyone that's been listening to the end of these workouts are really
going step by step within my journey, because I talk more here than I do anywhere else. But I wanted to say that the Women Empowerment Dance event is this upcoming Monday. So today is the 25th. The dance event is on the 27th, and we're in April. And I'm just super excited that, I've came this far. When we think about pregnancy, we think about postpartum, all the way getting back to business, getting back into the open and pouring into other women. I am grateful that God gave me the vision, but I'm also very just proud of myself. And I wanted, another woman to know that it does get easier. The foggy brain, it gets less foggy. But also, if you have other women to lean on, that is the key. Okay, I have not been able to get through this season without my team, but most importantly, just trusting God as well, trusting that this is something He wants me to do. And for my business girlies, but also this is a life lesson if you're not a business girly, understanding the focusing on the ones that are in my community, focusing on the members that pay, monthly to be a part of the community, and not just trying to focus on the whole world anymore, but focusing on the people that pour into you. Basically, it's the life lesson. When you do that, you'll find yourself not chasing anything, but simply just leading with love at all times. So I just wanted to share that little nugget, because I know sometimes we can, how can we get all these people over here? How can we pour into everybody? How can we? And in reality, there is a group of individuals that God assigned to you. There's a group of individuals that are pouring into you because they need what you have. They need that God-given vision that He placed inside of you. And if we would just focus in on that, and pour into them and give them what they need, then all the chasing stops. It just completely stops. So I'm super excited for this upcoming event, because that's exactly what I did. Newcomers are always welcome, and I'm always looking for new faces, because of course that builds the community. But I'm super excited for the members to come in and enjoy this night as well. All right, so how can you become a member? Of course, by getting into the app. It's always going to come back to the app, y'all. And you want to get in now before the app launch, all right? And I think I'm going to press launch this upcoming week for it to get approved. So, Mama, I hope you have an amazing day, morning, night, wherever you are. I love you, and congratulations on this journey. Keep pushing.